Welcome to North Baltimore County. It's 9:18 p.m. People on 4x4s, the ATVs, have been running through the parking lot for the last 30 minutes. The restaurants in the plaza across the street have closed early, fortunately, and the cars that you see rolling out now were covered with snow just a few moments ago. They brought out devices that helped them heat up the locks that had iced over on the cars. The grocery store parking lot has remained steadily busy, but the last hour it's dropped off. As you can see, there's no black pavement visible any longer. Visibility in the sky, we can still see down to the traffic light, but you're not seeing very far. All the cars are slipping and sliding as they're coming through, but many of them are with snow tires holding their own ground to the best of their ability. Fortunately, there's not many cars on the road right now. If you look carefully, you can see the snow and the reflection underneath the street lights. The flakes are starting to get bigger. Fortunately, they stayed small throughout the traffic commute for all of the folks coming home from work this evening who didn't get to leave the office until after 5 o'clock. Temperatures are in the 20s with no expectation that it's going to improve until next week. We've seen a few trucks come through to the grocery store trying to bring in much needed supplies. However, I think it's unlikely that very many people will be coming out tomorrow, and even less people will be out tonight. Underneath all the paved areas, there's random sheets of black ice. If you're driving in the Mid-Atlantic region in one of these storms or blizzards, always be careful. Drive slowly. Keep a huge following distance between you and other cars in front. Slow and steady wins the race in a storm like this. There's already been several deaths in Virginia that we've heard about. Multiple car crashes in Virginia and Maryland. And the conditions of the roads on the interstates are supposed to be very bad. As you can see, the snow keeps coming. We expect it's going to continue from now, Friday, until Sunday. We'll keep you posted. Until then, follow us on YouTube and Twitter at Cafe Cars.